Hey my Homestead peeps, I got some big news for you, so stay tuned. You're gonna go on a morning walk with me. So as you all know, we have been living in Montana. We moved up to Montana from Wyoming about 9 months ago. We were living in a rental because we were waiting for our home in Wyoming to sell, and it literally took that long to sell. Because as anybody that is in the housing market right now knows, it's a weird market. And while we were there, we just weren't like loving the area we were in. We weren't feeling it, you know. Originally, we're not from Wyoming, we're actually from the Midwest. And we were having some family members having some health issues and just a lot of different things going on back home in the Midwest where we were originally from. Plus the kiddos were missing seeing some of their cousins, you know, like they were missing family members. So God just put it on our heart and mind to head back that way. So now we're currently in Wisconsin. So if you're from the Midwest, leave a comment down below and say, hey, what's up? We still plan on homesteading and homeschooling. We don't have a house quite yet, but we're working on it. We're like wandering gypsies right now, staying with family members. And in Montana, we never got to buy a home because it took so long for our house in Wyoming to sell. So we were in a little rental home. So the market in Wisconsin is a little different. So it'll be nice because we'll be able to afford a home a lot better here than in the particular area we were in Montana. So I'd appreciate it if you guys would be praying for us to find a home that fits us and meets all of our needs. And I just got a pressure canner as a birthday gift from my husband's grandma, which was so incredibly awesome. I love her, she's literally the best. So even though I didn't get to do a garden this summer, which was so depressing, because I just didn't know like when our house was going to sell, you know. I didn't want to like put a garden in at the rental house we were at because I was like so on edge the last 9 months, like, oh, is our house gonna sell this month? What about this month? What about this month? It's not good for your health, I gotta tell you. But I will be doing a garden at our new house. I'm going to actually rototill up some sort of earth this year, no matter what we have, and mulch it and throw a tarp over it and let it just sit there the entire winter, and I'll make a video about it too. And then we are going to be canning this fall and winter, or whenever the heck we get into our new home. I'm believing that it'll be very, very soon. I'll definitely keep you guys posted. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys up to date on all the crazy happenings with the Wild West Homestead Mama household. I realize we're technically not out west anymore, but Midwest has the word west in it, so we'll let it slide. Talk to you later, my Homestead peeps.